AI tools are everywhere, but most are overhyped, expensive, or too complicated. Today, I'm revealing 5 free AI tools that actually work, and they're so powerful, they feel like magic. Let's dive in. First up, Gamma, the AI that builds beautiful slide decks for you. Type a topic, and it generates a full presentation with images, bullet points, and even speaker notes. Great for school, work, or YouTube planning. Free plan available, and you can export to PDF. Next, Perplexity.ai. Think of it as ChatGPT with a built-in search engine. It gives up-to-date answers with sources. Perfect for research, fact-checking, or writing essays. No login needed, and it's completely free. Now for visual creators, Leonardo AI lets you generate stunning artwork and 3D style images with prompts. Use it for ads, thumbnails, or digital art. It's like Mid-Journey, but faster and easier. Free credits daily. No payment required to get started. Want realistic voiceovers? 11 Labs gives you lifelike AI speech for YouTube, audiobooks, or TikToks. Just type your script and download the audio.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
They offer free voice generations and allow you to fine-tune tone, emotion, and style. Finally, Notion AI, your productivity Swiss Army knife. It writes emails, creates content, brainstorms blog ideas, and helps you plan your week. Perfect for creators and business owners. It's free with Notion's basic account and works like magic inside your notes. That's it. 5 free tools that save time and make your life easier. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. We drop new AI tool breakdowns every week.